So, for me, too early to say na the crypto winter is over. Kailan masasabi, Tito G, na hindi, tapos na nga yung crypto winter. Kapag ka nakita natin, yung 1-year peak and bottom, so remember, si Bitcoin may ugali ito based on history. Tinignan mo yung pattern niya sa chart. Meron siyang ugali na 1 year after its peak, doon siya nagbo-bottom out. So, meaning to say, peak siya nung October 2025, most likely, ang bottom out ito, October 2026. So, paano, Tito, kung nag-bottom out na nung last February, di ba, nag-60K na tayo, Tito, nung last February? Paano kung yun na yung bottom? By October, makikita, maybe September, towards October, makikita po natin yun na most likely, yan na yung bottom. Bakit po? Kasi most likely, by September o October, makikita mo na hindi na bumababa yung price doon sa 60K level. So, the bottom is in. So, after October, I could probably declare na okay, sige, crypto winter is finally over after October. Okay? So ganun ko lang po pina-follow yung cycle and then yung mga patterns sa chart. Ngayon, kung for example, by ano tayo ngayon? April, di ba? Let's say by June or July or August, makikita mo, binubuhusan pa. Di ba? Binasag pa yung 60K. Nandoon ka pa ngayon, nasa 55K, nasa 50K level ka by, let's say, July or August. O, teka muna. The bottom is not yet in. So, most likely, magbo-bottom out ka nun ng October. Okay, nahuhuli nyo, no? So, for me, too early to say na the crypto winter is over. But it's not saying na pwedeng tama din si Michael Saylor because syempre mas expert sa atin yan, ano? Ano ba ang ginagawa nyo? Ano ba ginagawa natin? Paano nga, Tito, kung 60K na nga yung bottom, okay? Kaya ito yung panlaban natin dito sa mga ganitong nakakalito, no? Ang daming mga expert predictions, madaming mga speculation. Okay? So, ang panlaban natin dito is yung DCA natin, di ba? We started doing the DCA last February. So, regularly, we're just buying. So, let's say, by October, sige, tapos na yung crypto winter. Okay na tayo. By October, nag-60K lang pala yung bottom natin. We have accumulated already, diba? Around 60 to 70, nag-accumulate ka na. Ngayon, kung hindi pa pala tapos by October, let's say by July, August, nasa 50K tayo, we can continuously buy. May-get yung strategy, diba? Regularly, you're just buying Kasi, why? Malinaw sa atin na nasa bear market tayo Malinaw yun na we want to accumulate Bitcoin during the bear market. So that's why we started buying last February. Whether we are right or wrong, yung market lang yung magsasabi nun, di ba? Yung market lang. But then again, yung strategy na yon maybe similar to Michael Saylor nung nagsimula siya magbodega ng Bitcoin last bear market. Nakita niya na-prove niya, okay yung strategy niya, gumagana So similar to him, yung strategy natin na we ginawa natin, yung for the past 2 bear markets. So, this is our 3rd bear market. Huli nyo. So, bakit natin papalitan? Sabi nga ng Toyota, why fix if it is not broken? Adjust mo lang ng konti. Di ba? Pwede mong i-fine-tune lang ng konti. Pero, the strategy of doing DCA in a bear market works for us. So, hindi natin siya